Yo guys, what's up? How's it going today? Hope everybody's doing good out there and markets are treating everybody well. So, an alternative investment that I've talked about a couple times is these crowdfunding platforms. So, this one is Seedinvest. Okay, so it has a little bit different spin on things. It's like the other ones. It's like micro ventures that I've talked about. It's like WeFunder that I talked about. Um, so just want to do a little review on this Seed Funder or Seed Invest. So you can see it's vetted startup investments. You can see they don't approve everybody. They only have 1% that approve that apply, and that's kind of weird. I didn't think it would be that low, but I guess it is. It's got easy diversification. You can see it's as low as $500, but I'm going to show you a secret towards the end of the video that you can invest as little as $200, which is comparable to microventures $100 and WeFunder $100. So stay tuned to the end of the video. You can help fund the future, entrepreneurs, innovators. You can see a lot of this stuff that is on the website. You can see a couple of these offerings that are in there. You got the Regulation A closing soon. You got perfectly. It's a CF, so it's a crowdfunding basically. There's all these different ones, so we can let's view them all. Let's take a look what they got going on. See Virtuix, yeah, perfectly. Cytonics, Reg A, another Reg A again. This is a CF, it's crowdfunding, so anybody can invest in that one, right? Supervest, not even sure what that one is. I haven't looked at that one yet. There's a couple that are upcoming that are just going to be fantasy sports. That's good. It's a good one. That might be good. Be interesting to take a look at that. It's in depth. Innovega. So there's all kinds of stuff here, right? So this platform is a little different than the other ones. I'm going to show you this special feature. It's called Auto Invest. All right. Now with Auto Invest, it does take it to the next level here. You know how they was saying it was the $500 minimum? Well, with Auto Invest, you can have as low as a $200 investment. So that's what I did, right? I went down to the $200 option, and I said, okay, set me up with anything that's $200. I can invest that. I'm going to put $1,000 or $2,000 into this, and I can get a good diversity, right? You can see all the ones that I'm in. They automatically invest you in the ones you can get into. And if you, after you look at them and read them, you want to opt out, you can hit the opt out button, right? So it'll take you out right away. So there's one that's pending close is Caliber. You can see this is pretty new for me. I'm just checking it out. So I wanted to share with you guys the Seed Invest. Haven't had any success with it yet, but I haven't had any failures with it yet. Like I said, I'm just trying out all these different crowdfunding sources as an alternative investment to the stock market. Stock market has been a little unstable recently with interest rates going up or down. The Fed making all kinds of statements. Can't even figure out what they're saying half the time. Like they want to pump more money into the economy, then they're going to stop. Then they're going to only do it certain ways. So I'm just looking for other investments. Gold and silver would be another one. Bitcoin, but these people, they come out with these grandiose statements about Bitcoin, like, oh yes, Bitcoin is probably going to be banned by most governments or whatever. It's like, yeah, okay, good luck with that, because you're not going to be able to do that. very effectively. But if they make big announcements like that, it affected the Bitcoin price as soon as they said that, right? So these are some other alternative investments. So there's still, like I said before, there's a lot of exit strategies, acquisition, going public. They could just set up royalties. So all these little investments, you get parts of the company, and that's good for future growth. Some of these companies might not even make it, but some of them might explode. Might be the next Amazon. I don't see the next Amazon on this list, but you never know. It could be. You want to get on the ground floor investment. I'm like, pretty good. Get it? All right, cool. So, okay, guys. Like I said before, this is an angel investing for like small investors. You don't need like 50 or 100K to invest in a company. You only need a couple $100, $100. It's worth at least checking out. Like I said before, I'm not an investment advisor. This is just for information and education purposes only. Do your own research, and good luck out there. Comment below if you think this is a good idea, bad idea. You like the auto invest feature, because I kind of like it a little bit. If I forget to go look at it, it's like, oh, well, I guess I'm invested in that. I haven't experienced that yet, but there's a lot of research involved in each one of these companies. So let me know what you guys think. I want to hear your thoughts. All right, so subscribe to my channel for different wealth building techniques, alternative investments, and most of all, my daily options trade, which is the main source of my the income that I'm trying to generate, and build my wealth, and ultimately make a lot of passive income, so I could retire in probably in the next 10 years. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.